Hi everyone, welcome to another episode on my YouTube channel. In this episode, I am going to do a flamingo inspired floral arrangements, things that you can do at home, or if you're having this fun old summer party, it can be a flamingo theme. It can even be for a bridal shower. It can be for a baby shower, all sorts of things. I picked out some containers and accessories that are simple and easy to maintain without any complications. I've taken glassware, some ceramic pots that are hand painted, and these are colored glass. And then I've taken ranunculus and peonies and these interesting greenery, which I obviously don't know what it is. Anyways, simple arrangements that you're going to be able to do at home. And I've already pre-soaked and filled my vases with water. And so let's do this. Let's get the foam onto the containers. And these are pre-soaked already. Here, I'm gonna go here. And if there's some water bubbles in there, you can always add, this is from taking it out too quickly and not letting it absorb all the way. And let's see, I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna insert it. And then I'm gonna shave parts of it off. I don't want too much foam sticking out. I'm gonna cut the sides of this as well. This is gonna be a really fun one, a really simple one to do. There you go. Go back and we're gonna cut this up too. Again. I'm not really concerned how the foam looks on top because it gets all. And we're done with that. So I'm gonna take this back and clean out my table. I'll wipe it down. And then the first thing that I'm gonna use is my greenery. And I love these colors. As you can see, the set is kind of that sunset-y coloration. I'm gonna start with my greens, the ones that I already foamed. God, these are a little tight. And I can't, these, here, let me see if this is any better. I'm not demanding, I'm just letting you know. I'm just gonna fill the greens. So that's so fun. I'm gonna go back and the rest of the three, there's 4 pieces I'm doing total. The great thing about these, again, I can go back and get multiple of branches and use them like that. Here, let's get this one to fill up the whole thing. It's nice. Here, one more right here. I don't know what type of greens these are, guys, but they look very interesting, and I like the different shades of greens that they have. One, the backside is a lighter green, the inside is a darker green. Here, and then we have this last one left over. And now I can insert flowers in here if I want to. I don't necessarily have to. I'm gonna go back in and fill some more. Aren't these great? Like, they've already make little statements on the table without being overwhelming and foresty. There you go. Now I'm gonna do this. And then I'm gonna take my peonies, or peonies, take out the greens, and we're gonna use about 3 inch. Oh, you know what? I like all that confetti colors right here. All this coloration with the pinks and the blushes and the corals. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this up. I was planning to do one solid color, but you know, getting into the design of it, I don't wanna be boring. I wanna use all that color. So then I'll go back, and it is peony season right now, which is, we're really fortunate. Then I'm gonna take the coral colored ones, just clean off the leaves again, and then add to the large one. And then one more here. And then let's do one more on the larger one. There we go. We got a couple blooms of the light color. Just gonna add that in there. And then what we have is the rest of these colors. These are beautiful peachy toned roses, garden roses that are just very nice and luscious. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the cutters. I'm gonna move this over. Look how nice that's starting to look. Take out the leaves again. I'm gonna repeat this several times. I'm gonna go in that. Move this over. Get to see. Oh, look at that. Look at the colors now coming together beautifully. I love it. I think you need a couple more to fill it more. And I see one or two peonies in that coral color left over, which is great. I can definitely add to it later. They look amazing. Look at the colors, they're so beautiful. And that subtle, 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 like colors of pink on the vase is just lovely as well. The great thing about things like this is because you can use a lot of different varieties of flowers and still make it fun. And it's, you know, it's not brain surgery we're doing, right? It's just beautifully matching and magically putting beautiful flowers together to make people happy, because that's what it's all about. Nice. This is turning out really, really nice. I'm gonna take some of that ranunculus that I have and that peony. 2 peonies. Guess where they're going? They're gonna go in here. Maybe that is. That looks fun and full. You definitely can add, you know, votives or little accessories. I would do little flamingos. You can even take like feather, like a corally pinky feather, and add them to the arrangements as well. Here. And I'm gonna take the ranunculus. I'm gonna tuck them in here, look. Just a couple in each. Mixing the colors. So adorable. So pretty, so pretty. And then I'm gonna take this coral color. I'm not too much worried about showing the foam right now. I'm just trying to show you the prettiness of this arrangement. And you gotta make sure all your mechanics are always covered so that you don't have any problems. But I like to make these videos so quickly. I'm just trying to give you the inspiration more than anything else. Okay, let's grab this. Gorgeous. I have one more bloom to put. We can pull this apart, style it. When we come back, we're gonna show you how this is all pulled together, yeah? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode. I always have these crazy color combinations that I use and props that I bring on, and I hope this inspires you to have a fun, summery party with flamingos and anything that you are inspired to create, and hopefully this just inspires you just a little bit. You will see new stuff on the community page on my YouTube, so always constantly check on that. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, and guys, peace out.